Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your HSBC credit card step by step clearly. Take your new HSBC credit card and make sure it is the correct card with your name on it. Find the activation instructions that came with the card, or look for an activation sticker on the card. Prepare your phone and make sure you have signal or internet connection available. Keep your identification details ready in case the system asks for verification. Locate your card number and the expiry date on the front of the card. Find the security code on the back of the card and keep it private. If you want the easiest method, open the HSBC mobile banking app on your phone. If you do not have the app yet, download HSBC mobile banking from the official App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in with your existing HSBC online banking username and password. If you are a new user, complete the app registration and identity checks as instructed on screen. After signing in, go to the Cards section from the main menu. Select your new credit card from the list of available cards. Tap the option that says Activate Card or Card Activation. Confirm the requested card details and follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Set or confirm your card PIN if the app asks you to create one. Review any security message, such as a one-time passcode, and enter it exactly as received. Wait for the confirmation message that your card has been activated successfully. If you prefer activation by phone, call the HSBC activation number provided on your card letter or on the HSBC website for your country. Choose the option for credit card activation in the automated menu. Enter the required digits of your card number when the system requests them. Verify your identity using the requested information, such as date of birth or account details. If asked, create or confirm your PIN during the call and store it securely. Listen for the activation confirmation and do not hang up until you hear it. After activation, sign the back of your card in the signature panel if it is present. Make a small chip-in PIN purchase in a store to ensure the card is fully ready for contactless use. Check your HSBC app or online banking to confirm the card status shows as active. Turn on transaction alerts in the app so you can monitor purchases in real time. If activation fails or you see an error, contact HSBC customer support and have your card details ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.